In this session, let's learn about virtual columns. These virtual columns just appear like your normal table columns, but their values are not stored in the database. They are derived during the runtime. Okay? Another important point to note is you cannot insert any data into a virtual column. Why? Because they are not stored onto the disk. Only the formula for that virtual column is stored on the database. At runtime, Oracle database takes that formula and calculates the values for you. Okay, there are two ways to create a virtual column. Okay, the first method is your column name, data type, and generated always as the formula and the keyword virtual. Okay, this is a little bit lengthy. Another version is just column name as and formula. So simple, right? Yes. Most of the time I go with the second method since it is so simple. Okay. If you want to add a column once you have created the table, you can use the alter table to create the virtual column. Again it is add column name as and the formula. Okay. What are the advantages of virtual columns? Number one, it saves disk space. Why? Because the actual values are not stored on the disk. They are just generated at runtime. The second one, need not update if the formula changes. And again, since the data is not stored on the disk, you are not updating anything. Just you update the formula and all the values will be displayed accordingly. Okay, now let's go and have the demo. Okay, let me create the table sales 1. Okay, sales date, order ID, number, total amount, number, and I want the commission column, which is a virtual column. So let's create using the first method, which is generated always as and the formula, and the formula should always be in brackets. Okay, it is total amount into 0.01. Okay, close it and the keyword virtual and close the bracket. So let me run this. Sales 1 created. Now let me see what is there in the table. No data, so let me insert the data. Set into sales 1, sales date, order ID, total amount. Okay, I cannot mention commission since it is a virtual column, right? Okay, so values 12th January 2015, order ID 1, and total amount 300. Close it and then let me run this and let's commit the data and see the output. You see, 12 January 2015, order ID 1, total amount 300, and commission is 3. How did we get 3? We didn't insert 3, right? Yes, we didn't insert. It was calculated using the formula total amount into 0.01, which is 300 into 0.01 equal to 3. Okay? So now let's create the table using the other method, which is very simple. So for that, let me drop this table. Drop table sales 1. So dropped, and in the second method you don't have anything. It is column name as and the formula. That's it. So simple, right? So let me create the table. It's created. Let me see what is there. No data. So let me insert the data and commit and then query the table. See, same effect. 3 is the commission. Like this, using one of the two available methods, you can create your virtual column. Okay, so whenever next time you are creating a new table, think if virtual column is best for you or not. Okay.